the unpaid leave that you took from the 27th of October 2014 to the 31st of October 2014.
Asize ke manje kwikhefu lena ke leli ke elalingakhokhela noma ke phecelezi ke unpaid usuka nge 27 October 2014 kuyofika ke nge 31 October 2014.
Can you, Mr. Ntanzi, clarify in your own words why you took that absence of leave from work, the unpaid leave for that period?
Wena ke ukunokwakho ungachaza ke manje ukuthi kwakungani ke uze uthathe lawa malanga layana ikhefu ke owungeke ulikhokhelwe ungasho nje ukuthi kwakungani uwenze lokho?
Yeah, mina ngangakwenza umsebenzi wengane funa ngizohambisana nenkomo lo muntu engangithandana naye.
Yes, I was going home to go and perform a ceremony for the child, and I was also going to go and pay lobola for the person that I was in a love relationship with.
The ceremony for your child, you've stated in court that he or she is no more, correct?
Umsebenzi wengane lona okhuluma ngawo ubusuyitshelileke inkantolo ukuthi ingane leyo sikhuluma ngayo ayisekho angithi?
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Now can you describe or clarify for us the nature of that ceremony? What did it entail?
Masikhuluma ngomsebenzi ke uma ungasitshela nje ngalomsebenzi lona ke ukuthi kwakumsebenzi ongani noma kwakumsebenzi onjani?
Makushona umuntu mangizothi makushona ingane thina siyagezwa ngigezwe ngabazali.
When a child passes on, we get cleansed, or I get cleansed by the parents.
Ngoba kuhlatshwa nembuzi la.
And a goat is also must also be slaughtered.
And where does such a ceremony take place?
Umsebenzi onjalo wenzeka kuphi noma wenzelwa kuphi?
Ekhaya.
Back home.
When you say at home, at your parental homestead or at the homestead of the mother of the house?
Mother of the?
Let me interrupt.
As a court, please, my lord. These are completely new aspects that don't arise from cross-examination.
Now let me interrupt. And at that ceremony, Mr. Ntanzi, who is required to attend?
Kulo msebenzi loyo ubani noma obani abalindelekile ukuthi babe khona?
Abantu bomndeni wami.
My family members.
Naye lo msengizale na umntwana kodwa yena akezanga ngezathu ezithile zabazali bakhe.
Together with the mother of the child, but she didn't come because of certain reasons involving her parents.
And you've also mentioned the inkomo or lack of better word, I don't want to mischaracterize it, the lobola ceremony. Would I be correct to mention it as the lobola ceremony?
Ukhulumeke nangeinkomo ukuthi ke uzohambisa ke inkomo kulo othandana naye ngisho kahle ukuthi ke kwakulobola lokho.
Yeah, ulobola uhambisa inkomo.
Yes, it is.
And what does that entail in your culture?
Ngosiko lwakho lokho kuyini lokho noma kuhlanganisani kwenzani?
Ngosiko lami kuhlanganisa ubudlelwano ukuthi ikhomba ukuthi manje siyaphambili.
It is an indication of a relationship, and it also indicates that we are now moving forward.
Ngoma sengihambisa inkomo bayangitshela ukuthi bafuna inkomo engaka ngithini ngifile sosibala bayishile emvela ngalokho bese ngiphinda ngihambisa ibhizi emva kwese ke mhlambe kwenziwe imkhehlo yakuba sekugcina ke kufika emshadweni.
Because I would be taking, in other words, those cows or those cattle, they would then indicate to me the number that they require. And once we get to that number, or I get to that number, then there would then be some ceremonies in between up before we get to the actual marriage.
Okay. And where does that ceremony, the lobola ceremony, take place?
Manje ke umsebenzi lowo wokulobola wenzeka kuphi?
Wenzeka khona ngale esigodini sasehlabathini.
Back home in Ehlabathini.
And who is required to be present at that ceremony?
Kulindeleke ukuthi kube obani abafanele ukuthi babe khona kulowo msebenzi loyo. Obani ababa khona kumsebenzi onjalo?
Angazi ngakuba ngakithi hamba noma 3 noma 4 ngale ngakuba angazi.
I don't know when it comes to her side of the family, but on my side of the family, about 3 or 4 people would go.
And for both these ceremonies, do you confirm that your presence was required and necessary?
Kuyona yomibili ke lemisebenzi esikhuluma ngayo ukhumbula sikhuluma ngomsebenzi wengane sikhulumeke ngalo umsebenzi wokuhambisa inkomo. Kuyona yomibili ke lemisebenzi kulindeleke ukuthi wena uqobo ube khona.
Angiyi ngale mahamba inkomo but lo umsebenzi wengane lo usukufuna mina wayime kusefanele ngidezwe.
With regards to the lobola one where they are taking the cattle to the other side of the family, I don't go there. But with regards to the ceremony of the child, I am expected to be there because I'm the one that has to be cleansed.
Nazi inkomo ngiba khona kodwa ekhaya afika asho ubhuti noma ubaba mathi ubaba ngibaba ukhona asho ukuthi sivumelana ngokuthini ihamba le nohamba le kusala le ihamba le inkomo ziyakhonjwa.
With regards to the one of the lobola ceremony, at home I will be there. It's whether my big brother or my father would then lead the way in saying that this particular cattle will go and this one would go, because a cattle gets pointed out as to which one exactly will have to go. So I will be there with that one at home.
And did these 2 ceremonies take place during the period 27 of October to 31 October?
Manch.
As a court, please, I don't really know if we have to keep on objecting, but this is a clearly leading question.
My Lord, I premised my question with, did these 2 occasions occur during this period? How is that a leading question?
My Lord, it's putting the words in the witness' mouth. Perhaps if my learned friend was to rephrase that question.
Mr. Ntanzi, when did these 2 occasions occur?
Le misebenzi emibili esikhuluma ngayo yenzeka nini?
Yenza ngelanga lengacela lamalanga lamalanga angabhadalwa.
During these days when I had applied or requested for unpaid leave.
Now, the leave form records the reason for taking the leave days as personal problems. Is that an accurate description of why you took the leaves?
Isizathu esibhaliwe ke lapha yana ukuthi ke kwakungani uze uthathe lamalanga lana ke angakhokhelwa ukuthi ke ukuthi wawuyobhekana ke nenkinga zakho, personal problems. Ingabe indlela ekuyona babhala kahle mabebhala njalo ukuthi ke wawuyobhekana nenkinga zakho?
Ababhalanga kahle.
It was not an accurate recording.
And would you regard the 2 ceremonies that you were holding or were going to hold as personal problems?
Imisebenzi le emibili owawuyihambela wena uma ungayichaza ngokuthi ke kwakuhambela inkinga zakho. No, hence I am saying that it was not recorded correctly.
Now, the state posited to you that these leave days coincide with the period within which Mr. Meiwa was murdered. What is your comment to that?
Manje ke umbuso noma ke umshushisi abakushilo kuwena ukuthi ke lamalanga lana ke owawathatha ke angakhokhelwa ukuthi ke amalanga ashayisana ke nokubulawa kwakhe umnumzana uSenzo Meyiwa uthini wena kuloko?
Akulona iqiniso.
No, that's not true.
Mina ngisengxenye ukufaka Senzo.
I'm not a part of Senzo's death.
Ngoba namanje ukube ngibulela uSenzo mhlawumbe ubhuti wakhe ngoba uhlela urusisi wakhe asho ukuthi inkosi enkantolo ngiyabonga kungibophela igebengu. Manje azange ngibulala uSenzo.
If I had killed Senzo, his brother uthi ngoba uhleli la ongabe uhleli la.
ngabe uhleli
Okay.
la
His brother would, of his sister would have been sitting here and saying, my lord, thank you for having arrested the thugs for me or on my behalf.
Now, from the proposition by the state that these days coincided with the death or the murder of Mr. Senzo Meyiwa, the question to you, Mr. Ntanzi, is, did you take this leave to participate in the killing of Mr. Senzo Meyiwa?
Ngoba ke umshushisi noma ke abashushisi noma ke umbuso uthi ke lamalanga lana ke ashayisana nokushona kwakhe uSenzo Meyiwa, umbuzo ke yilo, ingabe lamalanga lana ke 27 kuyofica nge 31 October 2014 wawathatha ngenjongo noma ngenhloso yokuhamba uyobulala uSenzo Meyiwa?
cha
No.
namanje ngiyaphinda because azangibulala uSenzo.
I still repeat, my lord, I never killed Senzo Meyiwa.
Welcome to the fire where the stakes ignite, where the questions burn hotter than the night. No escape once you're locked in the heat. This is your trial on the hot seat.